Hi, I'm Esther from Phantom Screens. Let's face it, life happens around your screens in your home. So I'm here to give you some tips and tricks to help you keep your Phantom screens working perfectly. Here's a question I always get asked. How do I stop people from walking into my Phantom screens? Well, that's a fair question. I mean, life happens. We've got kids playing, running in, guests are over, they don't realize the screen door is there. So don't feel silly if it happens. The easy answer is stop inviting people over, but of course we don't want to do that. Here's the best thing you can do is put on one of our Phantom mesh stickers. You can put it at eye height for an adult or for a child, or even if you put it down lower for small dogs or cats, they tend to then realize that there is a screen there and won't touch it. If the idea of a Phantom sticker doesn't appeal to you or you're still in the decision making about buying a Phantom screen, consider buying a mesh that's perhaps a denser material, because that will help you be able to see the screen more, it'll be more obvious. Or you could also choose a lighter or a darker fabric of mesh depending on whether your walls are light or dark, and compensate on the opposite for that to help you see the screen much easier. For any tip or trick that I'm giving you that you're still struggling with, struggle no more. We want to help you out. Just give us a call at 1-888-PHANTOM or go on our website, phantomscreens.com, and we'll be sure to help you out. Oh, did I forget that part? Okay.